The reason we've chosen Plungie for this project is speed of program, efficiency of program. I'm Aaron Jones. I'm the site manager here for RCQ project. 14 townhouses down there, 80-week project and about 21 million overall. We're able to put 14 pools in relatively quickly. Our program, our team, not having to engage other contractors and get different results and different outcomes with each pool. So it's relatively straightforward for us. Dig and excavate, steel up and then pour.
Yeah, hi, my name's Zane Buffetti. I'm a Senior Contracts Administrator for RCQ Projects. Yeah, we've chosen Plungie for the guarantee of a timeline program. The guaranteed install date, and we've hit a date, and in this current market, it's difficult to hit dates, especially with pools. So it was one risk factor we could eliminate. Yeah, choosing Plungie over a traditional pool build would be the off-site manufacturing. So we were able to carry on with our civil works and build our platform up and do a lot of in-ground without the need to look after or control 14 individual pool shells being fabricated on site. That just took a lot of stress off the team. By using Plungie over a traditional build, it allows us to maintain control over the project and rather than external contractors. As labour is a tough resource at the moment in the construction industry. Install process of the Plungie pool has been great. We've installed 14 pools in approximately 6 to 7 hours, which is pretty amazing if you try and install 14 pools in the current market. And it's a pretty simple two-man process to install a pool.